Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. So, oh my God, I'm not lying, man. I cannot top off the last video, man. I don't know what to do that can be better than the last video that I posted, man. Still surreal, man. Today was the first day. We went out to, we took out the car. I got off early. You can see us in chanclas right now. I was cutting the grass, but we went out in the car, man. We took the 56 out to get some snow cones with my baby girls. And that was like, what do you call it, baby? A tradition? That's what we do?
Yeah.
Every time we get a new car, you know, once it settles, the first ride is always go to get ice cream, go to get snow cones, man. And it's a short drive, man, so we just went in, got some snow cones, and came back. That's it. My camera girl is supposed to be filming. We filmed. Oh, did we film? We filmed a little bit, huh?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just a little bit. You know what? I'm gonna put that in the at the end of the video, man. But anyways, man, let's get to it, man. Wow. Another box, man. This one. Woo-wee. This box was ordered before I knew I was gonna purchase the 56, and I'm glad I ordered only one set, man, because this right here I was gonna do it for the Caprice and for the Impala, for the Glasshouse. So man, I was about to buy two sets. I'm glad I only got one, man, otherwise I would have been stuck. I did get some Sandman Designs gear for the Caprice. Bow, bow. They're not going to the Caprice no more, man. So I don't know. I might ask my boy Lowe's. I know I got a set for the Glasshouse. My homie Freddie gave it to me a couple of years ago for Christmas. But this one's how I got him for the Caprice. So if my brother Lowe's don't got him, you know, I'm gonna hook him up with this ones, man. Again, Caprice is gone. 56 Belair. How do you like the 56, baby? Just tell him. You don't gotta be in the camera. How do you like it?
It's okay.
It's okay, man. Come on, man. Don't be shy. So anyways, man, this right here, about to open up CVF Racing. I think we got it on Monday. It came in on Monday. I was supposed to take this back with the mechanic. I got the radiator, the intake manifold. I got everything ready. But I didn't want to take it without this right here. The Glasshouse is running good right now. I don't want to drop it to the mechanic, to be honest with y'all, man. They got like a little cruise, Easter cruise this Saturday. My baby don't know, but I want to take him. I want to take her and take my other baby, Jamie. Hopefully we go and check him out real quick. Hopefully we get the Glasshouse out. I gotta get all the parts out, clean her out. But this is the reason why the Glasshouse is not in the mechanic right now. Glasshouse is running fine. It's just upgrades I want to do to her. So man, check this out. Let's open it right now. Man, not lie, I can believe I got this. But I'm excited, man. Really excited. This is, what is this? All the parts. A lot of parts. Woo. Let me see. SBC, the small black water pump adapter. Let's open the first one, man. Man, should I? Well, I did want to open it so I can see it. I know what it is, but let me tell you, man. After the first conversion that we did, the ghetto conversion, I like the way it was set up. So I went and go ahead and ordered the right kit. And we're about to do the pulley conversion, man. Serpentine belt. We got everything from CVF. This is the adapter for the water pump. Pow. We got it all. It's polished and protected, man. I got the extra clear coat on top of them. Paid a little bit of extra. That way it can stay, it can stay shiny, and it's a little bit better to clean them. It's not gonna be that bad cleaning all these pieces. So that's one adapter. Let me see. I don't know what this is. Show block. Universal. I think it's the pulley. I don't know. Let me see. Let's open it. I'm just guessing. Yep, this is another pulley. Make sure I keep everything in the boxes. By the way, I'm not putting this on. I'm taking it to my mechanic. And thanks to him, I got the Bel Air. But you know what? That's a different story, man. I'm not trying to do a story on that. How I came out about the Bel Air. This is the pulley. This is for the crankshaft pulley. I can see the 3 bolts, and that's the adapter in the middle. So this got to be for the crankshaft pulley. Put it back in. Make sure I put all the bolts back the way they are. Boom. Close this one. This little guy. I don't know what this little guy is. I don't know, it looks like a tensioner adapter. Not sure. This is why I'm not doing it, man, because I don't know what these parts are. Hopefully he knows. He said he put a couple of these together before. Not a lie, man. Instead of having these parts collecting dust right here, waiting for me to have a day off, I'd rather just take it to him and make sure we get everything done the right way. So that can be right, man. Again, Glasshouse is running fine. We haven't even put the radiator or the intake manifold or carburetor yet. I wanted to do everything at the same time. So this is why I was waiting for this, man. He told me, like, hey, can you bring it over? Like, look, to be honest with you, I got more work for you, so I'd rather just do everything at once instead of paying him to do double work. Boom, another pulley. I don't know what it is. I want, you know what? We're gonna open up the. I don't think we're gonna open up everything. Just gonna open up a couple of them, but I do want to open up the. I want to see the alternator. I got the alternator, and what else? The power steering. I think it came in. So you gotta be for sure. Have to be in this big box. What is this? Oh, this is the power steering. Oh. Damn, it's crazy looking. So I guess this is gonna have a I don't know, a pulley. I don't know how the pulley goes. This is the power steering. There's a tank right there. Not sure what this is. Again, I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna let him handle all this, man. I know I say I love working on my cars, but I've been working every day, man. I've been working Monday through Sunday. So there's no days off right now. Whatever little time I get off, I wanna chill with my little baby girls. They like playing what is that called? Nintendo Wii?
Nintendo Switch.
Nintendo Switch. Nintendo Switch. And what's the game? Mortal Kombat what?
I think it's the 11.
I don't know, but they, it's little things that they like doing, man. So whatever little time I get, man, I like to spend with my little baby girls. I whoop their butts. Oh, you did got me last one. So I think this is the one piece bracket that holds everything. But yeah, man. Like I said, yeah, of course it is. Crazy looking bracket. Bow. I'm a boy. It's crazy. So we still haven't got to the alternator or anything else. I think it's on the other side. But yeah, man. Again, I've been working every day, Monday through Sunday, and every little time off that I get, man, I want to spend time with my baby girls. So here we are, getting a mechanic now. And he's good because he knows what he's doing. Pow pow, he came in with the pulley. I don't want to have trouble looking for a pulley, so here we goes. I'm just doing this right here, that way I know which belt is it. I can go back in the video. So, what is this? Oh, water pump. Oh, I didn't know it came with the water pump. So we got the water pump right here. We got more brackets inside. What the heck? Let me see the alternator. Maybe this box right here. Yeah. This is it. We got they had the 140 and the 160 alternator. Since I'm running the compressors for the airbags, I got the 160. I got the bigger one. Ooh wee. Bow, bow. Look at this beauty. Hammer boy. A lot of bling bling for the baby. Hey man, again, all of this gear was purchased before when you were gonna buy the 56, and I'm glad I did it, man, because otherwise I don't think I would have bought this after buying that car. But again, the Glasshouse is my main baby. We gotta show love to my Glasshouse, and here it goes, man. We got the full serpentine belt kit for the Glasshouse, CVF Racing. I know it's a Summit. Yeah, Summit had a kit, but man, to be honest with you, it was ugly. I didn't like it. So we went with the CVF Racing kit, and everything looks good. So again, man, I'm gonna put the little footage on my baby girl got. You got some right whenever we're rolling. I'm gonna get the rolling footage while we're going to get the snow cones. But thank you for watching, man, and stay tuned for the next video. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. So, man, I'm not gonna lie, man. I've been a little bit intimidated about this car since I got her. Since I bought her, I just came over to the house, put her inside the garage, and I got home early today, man, and I guess it's time to go get ice cream with the girls. First time pulling out this baby. We're about to go for a ride. She's so dusty. I haven't shown no love, but man, let's go.